What's up, B Team? It's your boy Curtis B here. I'm back with another reaction video, and I have no idea what this is, but I gotta check it out because it says N9ne performs Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. What is going on here? First of all, Lynyrd Skynyrd is amazing, and Freebird is one of my most favorite songs ever. I could listen to it 1,000 times and probably already have, and I never get tired of it. And second of all, N9ne is one of my favorite rappers of all time. He is dope as hell, and I don't know what this cover is gonna sound like. Does he sing Freebird? Does he rap it? I have no idea what it is, but that's what I'm about to find out right now. Before we get into it, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new here. I'm almost at 25K. Leave a comment too to let me know what else you want to see me react to. I would appreciate it. And yeah, let's see what is going on here because I'm confused as hell.
What? This section is called.
Okay, so we got T-Pain here.
Gun to your head. Tech. Gun to your head.
T-Pain and N9ne.
What's an old song you can recite front to back?
An old song.
Not of yours, because obviously you know.
There's so many.
Damn, you know other people's songs from.
You know what helped? You know what helps?
You don't know-
We
you
ask
gotta
people.
know
We
other
ask people what's your
people's
go-to
songs front to
karaoke
back.
song.
Not everybody.
That makes sense.
If I leave here tomorrow,
Tech, what's that?
would you still remember me?
What is that?
Hold on.
What?
So you
Hold
trying to figure
on.
out there?
Hold on. This should be a crime right here. T-Pain doesn't know this song? T-Pain, come on, man. Oh man, I love T-Pain. I really do. As a performer, as an artist, and as a person. He's hilarious. He seems like a really cool dude. But come on, you got to know this.
What is that?
Hold on.
No, you trying to figure out there?
That hurts me.
Free as a bird now. There's too many places I got to see.
Okay, I gotta look up these lyrics.
No, wait, he got the lyrics wrong.
Bird now.
No, that's
Hold on.
No, you trying to figure out there?
As free as a bird now.
no, that's not how it goes, right?
Too many places I
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? Cause I must be traveling on now. That's how it goes.
got to see.
Okay, I gotta look up these lyrics.
If I stay here with you, girl.
Is this fucking Freebird? What?
Yeah.
What I think it is.
It's really that's your go-to?
Why
You
not?
said when I karaoke and shit.
Okay.
And bird, you cannot.
The way he said that was
I said when I
hilarious.
karaoke and shit.
Okay.
Come on, T-Pain.
And the bird, you cannot
my
sing. And, okay.
What is he?
Freebird, nigga.
If he
Just
does this song for
Freebird.
karaoke, what do they do during the part where it picks up towards the end? Does he play air guitar? I would love to see
Everybody's
that.
song, nigga. You ain't know that?
I mean, that's dope. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Tech,
Is he gonna make him do the karaoke?
there's a
It's 9 minutes long.
seeing the we got it.
I mean, that's because of the fucking.
You see
solo at the end.
you see that right there? There's a little
X.
yeah, we're gonna need you to stand up there.
Oh yeah,
We're gonna need you to go stand on that X, grab this real quick.
yeah.
Said Queen.
Where's Queen? Where's
Too
Queen?
late. Nope. You did it. You did it to yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is
T-Pain set him up.
Lynyrd Skynyrd Freebird in the key of G. Ladies and gentlemen,
Jesus.
this is
That's dope.
The Nappy
Oh,
Boy
they got
Radio
the
Song of the
cool
Week.
camera angle too.
This is fucked up. It doesn't start immediately though.
I know. It usually pick shit with a long ass intro for some reason. I don't know what that
Come on.
Oh man, he's got the moves going on. Looks like he's at Woodstock or something.
Oh no, it's gonna be a lot. We need an air guitar in the solo.
Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I would do. I was doing it.
This is fucked up. I ain't did this in a long time.
Great. You're doing great so far.
intro makes the song. I mean, everything makes the song. This song is just amazing from intro to the very last chord at the end. Like it's a masterpiece.
You ready? We're in 5, 4. The song of the week, goddamn, let's do it.
If I leave here tomorrow.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh shit! T-Pain throwing in some background vocals.
For I must be traveling on now. 'Cause there's too many places I got to see.
I ain't even looking at the screen, nigga. Okay, there we go.
Woo.
Take it then.
If I stay here with you, girl.
Oh, he's getting into it.
Just beautiful.
Things just couldn't be.
Could you imagine being at a bar on karaoke night and Tech9 just pops in to perform this real quick?
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now.
This nigga really know all the words.
And this bird you cannot change.
Talk to him.
And this bird you cannot change.
Let's go.
Strange music. They need to add that drop in there. Oh, they got something.
Bitch.
He had to throw in that. Hold on, let's go back. That was funny. He just had to throw that in there.
Bitch. No,
Cha,
I can't change.
cha, cha.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, that was sick.
Perfect.
It's fucked up. Y'all made me do this.
He's never coming back on this show again. He's gonna remember that. T-Pain's gonna send him a text and he's gonna not even gonna read it. He's just gonna reply, nope.
That was fucking amazing.
It's fucked up.
You did so good, though. You did so good. That was the fucking greatest. Oh man, ladies and
That
gentlemen,
was really good.
that was Tech9's
Very entertaining,
song
at
of
the
week.
very least.
Nah, that was really good. Though. You did really good.
I feel like I'm in a music festival outside.
That was all that I
This
got
looks
there.
like a show I want to be a part of.
You gotta
It
go
looks
every
fun
now
as
and then.
hell.
So,
Yeah, I need a pill.
Please don't take
you can't.
it
So
so
all right. God damn it.
bad.
All right.
No,
Okay,
he's still
ladies and
good.
gentlemen,
That's funny.
that was
Tech9's like,
Tech9
oh man, this
saying
messed
word.
up. But
That
then
was
he
Net Boy Radio
continues to
Song of the
sing.
Week, and this is Net Boy Radio Podcast. We will be shut it
Right.
down. We will
back.
not. That
Oh,
was
man.
not the one. Damn.
Shout out to Tech9. Oh, that was awesome. And T-Pain, he's hilarious. And then Tech9 acts all mad like he got set up or something, but that was probably the most fun he had all week. That was funny as hell. Great song, obviously. Like I said, Freebird, one of my favorites. Tech9 is such a dope artist. He's cool as hell. That was definitely worth the watch. Very entertaining. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.